Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're talking about how can AI bring back deceased loved ones back to life. Does that really make any sense? I don't think so because I said it wrong. But then again, we're talking about bringing people back from the dead. For years, we have dreamed about reconnecting with our loved ones. Doesn't matter if we listen to old voicemail messages, if we look through photo albums, and even if we look at old video recordings of our loved ones. I can attest to this because 34 years ago, or actually 33 years ago, I lost my mother to a car accident. So you can imagine in that period of time that there have been periods where I've wanted to reconnect with her in order to have conversations or just to hear her voice and respond back to things that I may ask. But there is a new form of technology called grief tech, whereas people with some technical skill are able to bring back somewhat a semblance of their loved ones. Also, technology such as generative text, meaning ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other tools allow those with technical skills to bring back avatars or chatbots of their loved ones. Now, this has been seen as a trend in China, where recently people are using technology to bring back chatbots of their loved ones. But we also have to take a look back and think of the times where we've seen technology bring people back from the dead. I believe years ago in the Disney movie The Rocketeer, Sir Laurence Olivier's voice and face was brought back as the villain in that movie. There's been instances like Kanye West building a chatbot for Kim Kardashian of her dad, Rob Kardashian. Hope I got his name right. And she was elated because of that. We've seen the 3D images of Tupac and other artists being shown during concerts as a remembrance of those deceased artists. And then finally, there have been deep fakes of different actors in movies, allowing us to see them act again. The most notable version that I can immediately think of is Peter Cushing as Grand Moff Tarkin in the movie Rogue One. So, where does that leave us as individual citizens when it comes to AI and chatbots? Well, there's several tools that people, everyday people, can use in order to bring back their loved ones. Now, if you start the process of bringing back your loved ones, many of the creators of the companies that I feature, except for one, always recommend that you start the process of recording and video your loved ones. Yes, the video is great just so that you can sit back and remember, but in this digital age, rather than just focusing on photos, maybe we need to start focusing on videos as far as recording audio and the video of the person so that we can preserve those memories. That way they can be enabled to be integrated in the chatbots later on throughout the years. So I want to, for those out there that are looking for ways to preserve their loved ones, it's to show different forms of technology that you could use in order to bring back or preserve the memories of your loved one. So number one would be the 1, 2, 3 combination of ChatGPT and Midjourney. And of course, there's a host of tools that can take your Midjourney images and translate those to video. Now with Chatbot GPT, if you're smart enough, you can definitely program a chatbot to act as if they were your loved one. Same thing with Midjourney. You can upload an image of your loved one to Midjourney and have it animated so that you could interact with them. But this takes a little time and a little know-how. But again, it's a good idea to start off by making video recordings of your loved ones answering specific questions. Other technologies that you can use are, and let's start with the metaverse, would be the metaverse, which would be a great way to create a virtual world and a virtual reality through VR headsets of a loved one. Not that we can see all of the, I was going to say the data, but you can see how the metaverse could help you create different avatars and of your loved ones that you can interact with in the metaverse. Now, of course, this would require signing up for the metaverse and creating an avatar of your loved one. Now, another AR, or not AR, AI site that you could use to create a companion would be a website called Replica. Now, Replica was created by someone who lost a loved one and decided to create the ability for you to utilize your replica with this website. Now, of course, there is a fee with Replica, but again, you can go in and create an AR avatar and interact with it as you would with your loved one. Not as realistic as, but it is a start. And some of the tools that is becoming available, or that are becoming available for the grief tech industry. A few more that you could use to build a AI replica of your loved one is a site called YOV. Now you can build a persona of someone, and it's specifically geared for creating a replica of your loved one, and it could either be of your personality or it can be of your personality. But again, it's a tool that you, or a service that you can sign up for and build your versona, as they say, not persona, but versona, meaning a virtual persona. And that way you can have a way to interact with your deceased loved one. But again, many of these require you to videotape and record your loved ones now. So you need to get started on the process. Because in my instance, there isn't an opportunity to do that unless I pull up OVHS tapes and then record the images and the vocals from those. Now, one of the more popular ones that's popping up is a website called Storyfile. Now, Storyfile, which has one of my favorite people on it, William Shatner, allows you to record videos, and then it will convert your videos into conversational video AI. So as you can see, William Shatner's there smiling. But if you actually go to the website, you can actually type in a question like, did you like playing Captain Kirk? Once we ask it a question, gives William Shatner a few seconds, and he should start to talk. Or he may just sit there and not say anything. But here we go.
Well, I can't think of a worse thing. The best thing was the part generally was really well written, asked me to do as an actor to work on.
So you can pause it and stop it, but that kind of gives you an idea. If you were to upload your own loved one's video to Storyfile, then it definitely would allow more, I guess, more interaction where you can ask specific questions and continue conversations. Or you can just have your loved one sit there and stare at you like William Shatner is kind of doing to me right now. He's there. Looks like he's in my living room. I'm sure you can choose your backdrop. But anyway, another way that you can preserve the memories of your loved ones and keep the conversation going. And then finally, there is an app called Hereafter where you can store your stories and your voice forever. So you've got an app that you can download from the Apple Store or the Google Play Store, and you basically program it with memories, and it
What if
will
there was
interact
one
with you.
place where all of your memories could live forever? Introducing Hereafter AI, the amazing new way to save and share memories about your life. First, you record memories with the help of a friendly automated interviewer. Then, your loved ones can chat with the virtual you, today or years in the future.
Hey, Grandpa.
Hello.
Tell me something that I don't know about you.
Sure. One time I played basketball against the Harlem Globetrotters.
That's crazy.
I guess that is kind of a strange story.
Your voice, personality, and stories. Try for free or get a gift membership for someone you love.
So a good example of AI being used in order to record memories and store that avatar forever. So there's a good side and a bad side to everything, especially with AI. Obviously, AI can definitely mimic a human and give you the impression that you are talking to a deceased loved one. But again, if someone else were to get a hold of your images and your voice, then your likeness can be cloned and used in nefarious ways. But I think overall, the forms of grief tech that are coming out are allowing people to get some semblance of closure or being able to hold on and listening to their loved ones. So with that said, if you've got comments or questions about AI technology or grief tech, leave them in the comment section below. Love to hear from you to find out what you think about grief tech, AI, ChatGPT, or Midjourney, and how it is transforming our lives. Now, with every video, I'm always asking that you like, comment, or subscribe because I know you know somebody out there that needs help with technology in their life. Now, the whole purpose of these videos is to create content that will allow you to explore new tech and help you conquer technology challenges at home and at work. I love technology and I've read all the manuals, and I'm serious about making technology fun, safe, and easy to use for everyone. So take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile. And thanks for watching.